everybody, I'm Megha Bhatia, founder of Book Your Ghar and a property consultant. I'm here to help you so that you can make a wise decision whenever you're planning to invest in Dubai. Just imagine if you can earn a rental income of 21 lakhs yearly and you can get an estimated profit of around 16 lakhs at the time of handover. Wouldn't you invest in this project? When you just have to invest 2.6 crore rupees in Indian rupees. Today, I'm going to talk about this wonderful project by one of the top developers and I'm going to break down all the statistics and numbers for you कि आप इस project से कैसे profit कमा सकते हो and what is in it for you. To start with, this project's name is Shobha Solace. It is being developed by Shobha. As you know, मैंने अपनी पुरानी videos में भी बताया है, Shobha is the second most sold developer, well-renowned developer, and Shobha has a backward integration model. जिसका मतलब होता है Shobha as a developer has everything in-house. From designing to construction, everything is in-house, so there will be no delays. In fact, Shobha as a developer has delivered projects on time and at times has delivered projects early also. So when we talk about Shobha Solace project and when we understand about the payment plan, जनरली शोभा के प्रोजेक्ट्स में पेमेंट प्लान हमेशा होता है 60-40. But right now an offer is going on where they are providing a payment plan of just 40-60 and the handover of this project is in 2027, which means you just have to make 40% payment till the time of handover and 60% payment at the time of handover. And जो 60% payment आप पे कर रहे हो at the time of handover, आप उस पे भी लोन करवा सकते हो. You can get a mortgage on that amount. So you are just paying 40% amount till 2027 and you can own a property in Shobha Solace. Now let's understand इस project में क्या क्या अलग चीजें हैं. When we talk about शोभा कभी भी स्टैंड अलोन बिल्डिंग्स नहीं बनाता, बहुत कम स्टैंड अलोन बिल्डिंग्स बनाता है. Shobha as a developer is known for developing communities. So when we are talking about having an apartment in a tower of Shobha Solace in a project named Shobha Solace, there you're going to get around 40 plus amenities, which will include Arsenal theme-based gym. You will get like an outdoor cinema, you'll get sunken pool and other 40 plus amenities in this project. At the same time, when we talk about configuration, what can you get here? You can get a 1 bedroom, 1.5 bedroom, and in fact a 2 bedroom too in this project. Moving on, if I would like to show you statistics now. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see on my screen, first of all, मैंने break down करा है for all my Indian investors the numbers into INR because I know it can be confusing for each one of you to convert AED into INR. These are estimated figures. The price and the INR conversion rate may vary जब आप वीडियो देख रहे हो. So as you can see, initially जब भी आप एक यूनिट को फाइनलाइज करते हो, for example you are planning to buy something in Shobha Solace, you will sit with me and Shobha team will be sitting together. We'll be discussing about the unit कि आपने कौन सा यूनिट फाइनलाइज करा है. To block the unit you will be paying a 2% EOI. And moving forward, initial जो पेमेंट होती है, जो बुकिंग अमाउंट होता है, वो होता है 20% पेमेंट का. As you can see here, जैसे आपने EOI दी within like 10 days का टाइम आपको मिलता है बुकिंग अमाउंट पे करने के लिए, which is around Indian rupees में अगर हम बात करें 50,67,341. फिर 6 months के बाद आप फिर से 10% पेमेंट कर रहे हो एंड देन 12 months यानी कि 1 year में आप अगेन 10% पेमेंट कर रहे हो एंड बाकी की सारी पेमेंट आपको 2027 में करनी है जो 60% रिमेनिंग है. आज 2025 चल रहा है, यू हैव लाइक 3 years टाइम. दिसंबर 2027 में प्रोजेक्ट डिलीवर होगा. अब ये प्रोजेक्ट किसके लिए है? Who is this project for? This is a project perfect for investors. This is a project perfect for end users who are planning to stay in Dubai, who have their business in Dubai, and people who want to put this particular unit or their property on rent and get good rental returns. Now let's understand the other figures that I've mentioned. I won't be sharing all the figures. For that, to have a detailed conversation, you can book a Zoom meeting, like a free consultation with me, and I can explain you about the figures in detail. So if you can see on the screen, प्रोजेक्ट के प्राइसेस स्टार्ट होते हैं 1.1 मिलियन से. इट मे क्रॉस टिल 1.2, 1.3 ऑल्सो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन आप कौन से फ्लोर में यूनिट ले रहे हो. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट अ मिनिमम प्राइस यूनिट, दैट्स फॉर 1.1 million AED. If we convert this price into INR, it's somewhere around 2.6 crores. अब अगर हम एस्टिमेट भी लेके चलते हैं कि 8% रेंटल रिटर्न्स आपको मिलेंगे जब आपको यूनिट का हैंड ओवर हो चुका है. Whenever you're getting handover of the unit, you will get at least 8% rental returns on yearly basis. As you can see on the screen, if we calculate the 8% of the total property price, that's going to be somewhere around 21 lakh rental income आपकी बनेगी साल की. अब 8% की फिगर आप सोचोगे हम 8% की फिगर पे कैसे आए हैं. So now I want you to show, I'll be showing you properties जो existing है अभी मोटर सिटी एरिया में जहाँ पे रेंटल रिटर्न्स कितना चल रहा है. Just a minute. And I'm quoting again that जी जो प्रॉपर्टीज आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, these are old construction property, these are not new construction property. यहाँ पे इन प्रॉपर्टीज में still 8% rental returns आ रहे हैं on yearly basis. Even these properties are in a very poor condition and not in a good condition when we will compare it with Sobha Solace, which will be like a high rise, a new building with 40 plus amenities. So I am sure 8% से ज़्यादा ही rental returns आएंगे, but we are taking a safe figure here. नेक्स्ट इज एप्रिसिएशन. हर साल आपकी प्रॉपर्टी कितनी इंक्रीज होगी. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट एप्रिसिएशन, इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू इंक्रीज अप टू 24% एप्रिसिएशन. 24% से ज़्यादा भी हो सकती है, बट दैट्स अ सेफ फिगर. इफ आई गिव यू अ स्टैटिस्टिक्स कि हम 24% पे कैसे आए हैं, अगर आपने मोटर सिटी की स्टैटिस्टिक्स देखी होगी, मोटर सिटी में लास्ट ईयर 34% एप्रिसिएशन आया था इन द प्रॉपर्टी प्राइजेस. एंड इफ वी टेक अ सेफ फिगर ऑफ 24% ऑल्सो, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट दिस इन INR, then you can get an estimated appreciation of around 62 lakhs. आप सिर्फ 2.6 करोड़ रुपीस लगा रहे हो अभी, and 2.6 करोड़ के ऊपर आपको 60 लाख रुपीस तक मिल सकता है estimated profit till 2027. That's like a 24% appreciation. And just imagine, आप उस टाइम पे प्रॉपर्टी को फ्लिप भी कर सकते हो. आपको 60% पेमेंट देने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. You flip the property, you take your profit and invest into another property. This is the gist of Solace project, Sobha Solace project. And as like a property consultant, I always believe in numbers. People might tell you that go for this project, go for that project, but you should know your numbers well. And as an investor, I want you to make a wise decision. So even if you are confused that where you should invest when you're planning to invest somewhere in Dubai or Ras Al Khaimah, reach out to us. Let's book a free one-to-one consultation and I'll be happy to guide you. You can contact me on the number mentioned below, or you can click on the WhatsApp link that is mentioned in the description, and let's book a one-to-one consultation call and I'll see you here.